Good morning students. Today we are going to do the difficult words of chapter 11. Pollution are biggest enemy. Let's begin. Pollution are biggest enemy. Now first is your difficult words. Let's begin. First is pollution. 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 Always pronounce the words very clearly. Pollution. Next is discharged. 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 Next is pollutants. 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 Next is atmosphere. 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 Next is factories. 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 Next is impure. Impure. Next is purify. Purify. Next is smoke. 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 Next is enemy. Enemy. Next is emitted. Emitted. So let's repeat again. Pollution, discharged, pollutants, atmosphere, factories, impure, purify, smoke, enemy, emitted. Now next is your word meaning. First word meaning is purify. Meaning of purify is clean. 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 Next is motto. Meaning of motto is aim. AIM. Everybody has some aim in life? No? Third is enemy. 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 Enemy means not a friend. Pollutants. Meaning of pollutants is substance that cause pollution. Substance that cause pollution. Next is doom. DOOM. Meaning of doom is death. 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 Next is your question answer of your same chapter. What is pollution? Pollution is the mixing of impure things with the pure ones. Pollution is the mixing of impure things with the pure ones. It's called pollution. Next is, which is the biggest cause of pollution? As I told you earlier, which is the biggest cause? Cutting down of the trees is the biggest cause of pollution. Cutting down of the trees is the biggest cause of pollution. Next is, how does the air get polluted? When smoke and harmful gases mix with the air, it gets polluted. When smoke and harmful gases mix with the air, it gets polluted. Next is, why is pollution considered our biggest enemy? क्यों pollution हमारा जो आजकल biggest enemy दुश्मन बन गया है? Pollution considered our biggest enemy because it is making our environment unhealthy. क्योंकि वो हमारे वातावरण को unhealthy बना रहा है. How can we save our environment? हम अपने वातावरण को कैसे बचा सकते हैं? How can we save it? We can save our environment by planting more and more trees. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाने से हम अपने environment को save कर सकते हैं. Fill in the blanks. The mixing of impure things with the pure one cause pollution. Blank is pollution. 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 Next is, we have made our dash unhealthy. हमने क्या चीज unhealthy बना दिया? Environment. 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 Next is, we should grow more dash to save our environment. What should we grow? trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Next is substances that cause pollution is called pollutants, P-O-L-L-U-T-A-N-T-S, pollutants. Next is, it is so sad that we have changed our rivers into a open dash, sewers, S-E-W-E-R-S. It is very sad that people had made the rivers and oceans into a open sewers, S-E-W-E-R-S. Next is your MCQs. Mixing of impure things with the pure one. जब हम impure things में pure things को डाल देते हैं तो वो क्या बन जाता है? Pollution, P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Option is pollution. Dash down of trees is the biggest cause of pollution. क्या हमारा biggest cause है pollution फैलाने का? Growing, cutting, ignoring, pouring. सब जो हमारा ऑप्शन है, आंसर है, वो है कटिंग, C-U-T-T-I-N-G. Cutting down of trees is the biggest cause of pollution. Third is, we have made our environment. हमने अपने environment को क्या कर दिया बेटा? Healthy, clean या unhealthy? Option is, answer is unhealthy. Unhealthy. Next is fourth. What is the meaning of purify? Purify का क्या meaning है? Clean, dirty, finish or start? Answer is clean. Purify means clean. Next is fifth. Which is the biggest cause of pollution? सबसे बड़ा कारण प्रदूषण का क्या है? Water, cutting down of trees, factories या smoking? Answer is cutting down of trees is the biggest cause of pollution. Next is, who has made the environment unhealthy? Environment को unhealthy किसने बनाया? Animals ने, birds ने, man ने या flowers ने? Answer is man. Man has made the environment unhealthy. Seventh, where should we throw the garbage? हमें अपना कूड़ा कहाँ डालना चाहिए? Dustbin, water, lakes या river? Answer is dustbin. We should throw our garbage in the dustbin. 8. What is emitted from the vehicles? Vehicles में से क्या निकलता है? Harmful gases and smoke, light, color, dust. Answer is harmful gases and smoke emitted from the vehicle. जहरीली gases और धुआं निकलता है. 9. Which two rivers are converted into a open sewer? कौन सी दो नदियां हैं जो कि open sewers बन गई हैं? Satluj and Ravi, Ganga and Yamuna, Ravi and Narmada. Answer is Ganga and Yamuna. 10th. What is the meaning of doom? Doom का क्या meaning होता है? Life, aim, pit or death? Meaning of doom is death. Meaning of doom is death. That's all about your exercises, children. Thank you.